welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know, it's a girl Kellz. I'm about to tell the video, you know what's going down. No guys, I did not cream my natural hair. That was just a Sike. I would never do that. I've been on this natural hair journey and I'm not going to change that. Nah, I love this journey and I'm on the road for the long run. You know, I want to see what my hair can achieve. What I actually will be showing you guys today is yet another headband wig. This is still trending. I haven't given up, you know, regular installation of wigs with the hot glue or anything, but these headbands wig are the best because they are so quick. They're so easy and quick for when you're on a run. There's no lace, there's no glue, so it's even more easier. You can do it yourself. So that's the best thing I like about these, and it is so comfortable. Now guys, I made this myself and this is how the insides look. You can just see the glue that I used on it. You can check out the description down below for, you know, videos on how I make my wigs. I have made about 2 to 3 before, so you can just check them out and see how I made them. It's so simple, easy, and you know, it's just quick. You're on a quick run, you just, you know, grab it, put it on your head, and that's good. Now I didn't make mine with any clip, but you could make it with some clips so that it is easier to attach to your head. You won't have to worry about anything falling off. You can just attach it down. So what I've done so far guys is to just use my regular gel, you know, brushing my edges and to put on the wig cap. Now I'm about to put this on my head. Look how easy that went on guys. Now the difference about this headband wig guys is that I did it a bit different. Normally I would add on the hairband that I would put over it, but this time I decided I did not want to put a specific headband on it because I wanted to be able to change them, you know, depending on my outfits or where I'm going or whatever. So I decided to leave it blank this time, as you can see. So that's how it looks. And this is pretty tight, so I don't really have to worry about it, you know, snagging off or anything. You just need to make it comfortable and the right size for your head. I'm just setting this straight right now. Alright guys, so there's numerous headbands you can use. I have that one, this big black one, but I'm not gonna use this black one today because, well, that would be too much black in one video. This is not a funeral. Well, not a modern day funeral. So anyways, you have this cute one also. I love me of some floral, and the best thing about these headband is you can just tie it like that. Look at that, simple as that. It gives you a nice little cute bow, you know. But I'll be using the blue one today just to match it a little bit with my eyeshadow that I used. So what I'm just going to do, I'm just going to put it over my head first and then just bring it upwards so that it can match the wig cap. All right, so there it is. It's already looking good already. Now I was about to leave it like that, but I decided I want some of my natural hair to be showing, just to give it that more, you know, natural look. So what I did was to just pull back the wig cap just a little bit more, just so that I can uncover some of my natural hair. So after that is done, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna grab my favorite hair gel wax that you all see me using. I'm just going to just sleek back my edges a little bit, you know, just to give it that nice look, to make it look like it is actually my natural hair. The best thing guys about these headband wigs also guys, it looks so natural. Look at that. My hair looks so relaxed right now with this style. And then I'm so what I'm doing, I'm just giving it some, you know, I mean, they call it baby hair, but I mean, I don't call it baby hair because my hair is a bit coarser than that, so I wouldn't call it baby hair. But I'm just styling my edges just to give it that cute look. Ooh la la. So it's looking pretty good right now basically. So what I have next is just to flat iron it. Feeling so extra cute with this style guys. Give me that it looks really good. Look at that. It's so nice, feels so real. So what I'm going to do now, guys, as I was saying, is just to get the flat iron and just to straighten it a bit out. You can curl it also. I might try that one day. So remember to subscribe to, well, remember to follow me on Instagram. So if I curl it, you can see the style. So what I'm going to do now, though, is to straighten the hair, just so that it doesn't have so much wrinkles in it. Like it's old clothes, it's so wrinkly. So basically I'm just trying to make a little part right there, and you can just watch while I flat iron the hair. Look at that, guys, it's looking so natural. Like I literally relaxed my natural hair. Like this is one of the best headband wigs I actually made and tried on. It is looking so amazing. It's giving me that cream hair effect. Look at that. Ooh, feeling so good. Alright, guys, so next what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add some hair silk sheen from Cantu Shea Butter, just to give it that extra shine. So I'm just rubbing it in the palm of my hands, and then I'm just evenly distributing it throughout the hair. I'm just making sure that all sections of the hair has it. Don't worry about my lighting, guys. I'm so sorry about the lighting. It's natural light and it's just up and down. So until I get a ring light, I have to work with the natural light for now, just to keep on making videos for you guys. So yeah, look at that, guys. Oh my god, you definitely need to try this. If you haven't tried headband wig, I am telling you, you need to try it. And if you tried it, just comment down below tried it, because it's so amazing. Look at that, it is so great. I kept on playing in it. So this is basically the end of the video, guys. I hope you like it. What I want to say is remember to like, comment, subscribe. Also share the video with your friends and family. Help a sister out, because you got me feeling myself. All right, so yeah, bye guys. Mwah.